Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Confirm your phone model, carrier, IMEI, and current OS version so you know what limits apply. Next, power cycle the device and toggle airplane mode to force a fresh network scan. This clears transient radio errors. Once done, move to a new spot with better signal and try a different SIM if available, because a defective or improperly seated SIM often causes SOS only. Make sure to note any error messages for the next steps. You now tackle configuration. Manually select your carrier in network operators to override bad auto selection. This forces the radio to register correctly. Then reset network settings to restore APN and network type defaults, because corrupted settings can block registration. Once done, install carrier updates and the latest OS to fix known radio bugs. If problems persist, remove and reseat the SIM, or try it in another phone to isolate hardware from account or provisioning faults. You finish by confirming carrier-side factors. Call your provider to verify account provisioning, local outages, and whether your IMEI is blacklisted, since those always cause SOS only. If carrier confirms clean status, backup data and perform a factory reset to eliminate deep software corruption, or request a replacement SIM or hardware modem repair. If things still fail, enter safe mode to rule out apps, try an eSIM or external hotspot test, and then escalate with clear, documented.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.